Hello, awesome readers! Today we're going to be reading Elmo's Lucky Day. I am taking all book requests. If you have a favorite book that you would like me to read, please send me your request. My email will be posted in the description below. Why is Elmo dressed in green from head to toe? Elmo is celebrating St. Patrick's Day. Elmo and his friends put green decorations all over Sesame Street. Don't eat the shamrock, Cookie Monster. On St. Patrick's Day, it's a tradition to eat corned beef and cabbage and Irish soda bread. Elmo and Abby try Irish step dancing. Kick high, Elmo and Abby. Snuffy gives it a try too. Elmo wants to find a leprechaun. A leprechaun is a magical fairy from Ireland. They are supposed to be lucky. Elmo follows a rainbow to Oscar's garbage can. Is Oscar a leprechaun with a pot of gold? Elmo finds a different kind of treasure. He finds his friends. And guess what? Everyone is wearing something green. They all march in a fun parade together. Elmo feels very lucky. Happy St. Patrick's Day! The end. Thank you so much for reading with me. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can read together again.